Okay, hello guys. Ito na yung pinakahintay ko. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Picture mo ka. Ayan. iPhone 17. Woohoo! Oh my gosh. So here it comes, guys. Dumating na siya. Kasi na 1 terabyte.
Oh, really?
Yeah, 1 terabyte. So, unboxing. Ito the unboxing niya. Ito, unboxing guys.
Oh my God. iPhone.
Ayan, unboxing. Because my cell phone is iPhone 14. So it's been like 4 years that I never changed. Ah!
Wala pa feel nga.
Touch lang eh.
Go, open it. Open it.
There you go.
Somebody's birthday or something.
Now I have USB-C now. Yeah, see?
Parehas na tayo.
Yeah.
Type C.
So now it's here. Ooh! No, I'm not going to use it because I need a screen protector. Okay. And then, yeah, I'm going to open it. Let me see.
Kita mo yung hello. Wait lang.
Hello. Yeah. See, wait, guys. It's orange. Look at that. Do you like it, guys? Picture mo ako, orange. Okay. Ooh, we'll see what's the difference now. Hello.
Tapos maganda na yung pwede ka mag-vlog, mami, na gusto mo yung ganito, pero pwede pa up. Kasi 17 yung kaklase, si Krisha.
Talaga.
And
And then,
bakit ako
so,
sa'yo?
paano na to?
Tama na? Tama na?
No, not yet. Okay. So, here, share device identifiers.
Okay. Iko-connect mo dito?
Yeah. You can share items by scanning the barcodes on holding iPhone near a reader. Use reader to share.
Oo, maya mo na yan. Ano yun?
Canada. No, Canada. Okay. And then, English.
Canada. Where's Canada?
Canada na nga yung napili natin
Ay,
eh.
ito na pa.
Ay, buang.
Alphabetical order.
Yeah, default. Set up without another device.
Mamaya mo na isa-set up.
No, it's set up na ngayon. Bakit pa mamaya?
Bring your
You just have to be close.
your Apple side. Continue ka lang, please.
Set up with okay. Looking for nearby devices. Diba maganda, guys? Inggit.
Oh, yan, iPhone 16 Pro Max to. Wala akong pake.
Pro Max, iPhone 16 Pro Max daw siya. Ako, iPhone 17 Pro. Ayoko ng Pro Max kasi malaki. Why it's looking for nearby devices?
Still looking.
I know. Bakit ayaw? No, I think I need to personal hotspot. Allows other to join.
You have your Bluetooth on?
Bluetooth on.
Need your Bluetooth.
I know it's on. I wanna like I wanna like see for everyone. Cause sometimes like yeah.
ba naman yun?
No, I think because they don't have Wi-Fi yet.
Pwede mo pa naman yun i-set up mamaya.
No, it's okay. Like, why did I open it if I'm not going to set up right now? So I can use it. I'm still going to use this tomorrow though. May open mo nga yan again.
Dawat. Continue.
Okay, set up. Yung Bluetooth niya again.
It's open.
I know, but you know,
You should
Bluetooth on.
put a funny display on your new phone, and you have to
There's no display.
have
So,
a camera.
same number. So, ang number mo lalagay
Yeah,
mo na dyan.
same.
So, eSIM na ba yan? Kaya, how about this?
Automatic na yan basta pagka-connect mo. Very unsuccessful to. Kasi siguro ito, na kailangan ba may
Bakit
wifi
mo
to?
binili sa online?
Kasi mas madali sa online. Walang available sa store.
No, kahit walang wifi, okay lang yan.
Guys, this is my new iPhone, guys. I'm committed 2 years again. So yeah, this is so nice, guys. I'm trying to set up. Okay, girls, I'll see you later. I need to set up first. Okay, bye.